Hello, my name is Jeff. Welcome to Select Motors Ltd. Visit our website at selectmotors.com. This is a 2014 Ford Explorer Limited. The color's a pearl white with beige and black interior. It's all-wheel drive, a four-wheel drive. Basically, almost has every option. Brand new tires. We just had them installed. Good quality all-season tires. This has the 20-inch wheels and with a polished option. Folding side mirrors. Also has the lane changing features that helps you change lanes safely. Has the keyless door locks and ignition. Here's the beige leather interior. So, power. The front are heated and cooled, and the center row is heated. Here's a look at the instrument cluster display. It's got all the electronics. Rain sensing wipers, automatic climate control, heated steering wheel. This has the glass roof. It's a panorama roof with a power shade. There's a rear climate control, and as I mentioned, heated seats. It's got the black headliner. Here's a look at the third row, and naturally the headrests are folded down right now. Body's in nice shape. All original paint. The power tailgate. This has the power stowing rear seats, third row. I think I have to turn on the ignition. Oh, I'm actually pressing the wrong button. There we go. Operator error. That's the folding position, and then there's a stow. There we go. Lots of cargo space. And I'll put them back up. There we go. Take a look at the passenger side. This side is power seats as well. Runs and drives excellent. One owner, well maintained. Thanks for your time. Give us a call. We'd love to tell you more about this vehicle.